Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly. Energy is always fluid. Place whatever way it needs to be placed. All right, let's see what's going on. Hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful holiday. What y'all got going on? It is Friday. Hope you guys are having a wonderful break. Those of you that is on holiday break, let's go ahead and get into it. What y'all got going on? We're pulling from the message of the cosmos. What's going on with the YouTube collective? What is the collective need to know? Stop pushing against what is, align with it, and move on. Stop pushing against what is, align with it, and move on. So it seems like there's an energy of someone trying to control things that they cannot control. And Spirit want you to focus on the things that you can control. This could also talk about things changing in someone's life. I was going to say, yeah, some things are changing in someone's life. And instead of you fighting the changes or trying to control what it is, Spirit wants you to go with the flow, because you don't know where your spirit team or the Most High is taking you. They want you to align with it and move on. This is like an energy of them wanting you to be like a chameleon. Okay? So they said, stop. If anything, you're making things more complicated than what it should be. Look, this piece of hedge is sticking out, y'all, and it's about to drive me up a wall. It's about to drive me. It's about to drive your girl. It's about to drive your girl. All right. Clarify and stop pushing against what it is. What's happening now? What is this in regards to? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective on YouTube? What is it that we need to know? One more. Stop pushing against what is. All right, the first card that came out is I play songs that remind me of you. So it seems like there's an energy, someone's in your energy, y'all, that is trying to manifest you guys, trying to manifest you back or something like that. And it's an energy of someone playing songs that remind you of them. And I'm also seeing that there's an energy of internet trolls. Okay, it says, bitch, we got the tea. There's an energy of someone possibly trolling or something online or on the internet or something like that. And whoever this person is that's trolling you online is someone that you no longer communicate with, because this person is, again, I feel like someone trying to manifest you. Yeah, longing. I feel like somebody is longing to get back into your energy. This is someone that you were with romantically, because it says lack of finesse in the bedroom area. So it seems like this person has not been sleeping with you, or possibly haven't been sleeping with anybody or something like that. It seems like somebody is longing for your energy and your attention. Mm. Let's go ahead and clarify a little bit deeper. Clarify, I play songs that remind me of you. What's happening here? I play songs that remind me of you. What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective with I play songs that remind me of you? I am a very jealous person. Came out with I play songs that remind me of you. So this is an energy of someone trying to manifest you because they don't want you with someone else. Oh, clarify internet trolls. There's an energy. Clarify internet trolls. Bitch, we got the tears. I'm sorry. So I don't know if somebody is doing something they really don't want to do, but if that's what it feel like, or if this is an energy of someone maybe after a while may be apologizing for something that they have done. With this one wand, this definitely feel like the Knight of Wands, or like the Page of Wands, like the Page of Wands energy. I don't know if you may be receiving some sort of message or some sort of news. The number one could be significant as well. Hmm. The Knight of Wands is also like an energy of things like, oh, I said the Knight. Ooh, I don't know why that piped up in my mind. The Knight of Wands, something is moving in like divine timing. There's an energy of slow and steady. Something is happening slowly. So this is an energy of not going back and forth with going back and forth with people or something like that. Take it for what it is and move on. Because it's almost like an energy of somebody's spirit team handling something behind the scenes, whether you see it or not. Like I'm sorry, like somebody's gonna end up coming back wanting to apologize. So it's like an energy of somebody wanting to continue to hold on to your energy. They don't want to let go. Why am I hearing Giveon? He won't let me know. It's not safe round here. If he won't let go. It round here, you gonna find. I don't even know the words. That's all I heard. It ain't safe round here. They better leave you alone. They better leave you alone. Oh my goodness. They just want to hold on. And spirit is saying it is not safe around here. They better leave y'all alone. They ain't got the nerve to be jealous. A very jealous person. Hmm. Yeah, it's definitely like receiving a phone call, text message, an email, some sort of somebody coming to you face to face or something. But I think it's online, so it could be like text message, DM, or something like that. That's gonna clarify. I play songs that remind me of you. I'm a very jealous person. Energy. What is going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective with this person playing songs about them? I play songs that remind me of you. I play songs that remind me of you. I'm speaking. I could be speaking to someone that has air in their chart, Queen of Swords. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could be significant. I am definitely seeing an energy of somebody in the Nine of Cups. There's an energy of wish fulfillment. There's an energy of peacefulness. There's an energy of serene. Yeah, it's like someone by themselves, possibly meditating or possibly praying or just simply playing, spending time to themselves. And I feel like what this person is that's very jealous, that play songs that remind them of you, is this person that's coming out in this Knight of Wands energy. Is what I'm saying here. It's like an energy of this person. I feel like this person like leave and come back, check on you, and then disappear or something like that. That's what I feel like. And I'm saying that there's a closing of a cycle. It's a closing of a cycle with like in and out, hot and cold type of energy. Okay, it could be you that's doing this with the Queen of Swords energy, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. It could be someone in your energy. Okay, we got the Three of Cups out here. All right. I play songs that remind me of you. I'm seeing this person might have some sort of assistance from a friend or some sort of, yeah, like a friend or something. I'm seeing with the Two of Wands, someone making some sort of choice. There's a decision, especially in regards to possibly like leave, coming or going. Like, I don't know, it's something to do with friends and having to make a decision whether you're going to leave or you're going to stay with the Two of Wands. Like, there's a choice. Wait a minute. I play songs that remind me of you. This could even be a friend. There's an empress. I'm speaking to an empress. They're playing songs that remind them of an empress energy. Like I said, this could have been like a friendship or something like that, or a lover. Mm. At the bottom of the deck, I am also showing that there is a King of Swords. So we got the Queen of Swords, Queen of Swords, King of Swords. So like I said, or like a relationship, because these two are coming out as partners, a partnership. But then it's like this Queen of Swords is coming out as an empress, so like possibly pregnant or a mother figure, a matriarch or something like that. There's also like an energy of you wanting to be happy, okay, or something like that. But or this could be you talking to like friends about leaving and like you guys are celebrating or something. Let's go ahead and keep on going. And this could have possibly even been something that's already happened because I see somebody feeling left out in the cold with this Five of Pentacles. Yeah, there's an energy of someone feeling left out in the cold. There's an energy of someone possibly experiencing or feeling like they may be going through some sort of bad luck, maybe going through financial issues. Clarify internet troll. I'm sorry, energy. Clarify internet troll. I'm sorry. I'm seeing judgment being called. There's some sort of awakening. Internet troll. I'm sorry. What's going on? Internet trolls. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing an energy of judgment being called on some sort of situation where there is possibly some sort of awakening, and somebody's in a Nine of Swords. There's an energy of regret, remorse. There's an energy of anxiety. There's an energy of somebody not cleaning up. Somebody is not doing anything. There's an energy of like somebody having a lot of things on their mind, possibly going through some sort of depression. There's an energy of unhappiness here. Somebody's like, I don't know, it's like their room dirty, not combing their hair, they possibly not taking a bath. I'm seeing a King of Wands energy could be significant. All right. Aries could be significant. And I'm seeing the Wheel of Fortune. It seems like there's an energy of fate at play. Okay. And it's like an energy of things like whatever they thought that it was going to work against you, it actually is working for you with this Wheel of Fortune, is what I'm seeing here. Internet trolls. I'm sorry, energy, please, spirit. Mm. Yeah, it's like things end up working in your favor, like blows up in somebody's face or people faces. Let me see. Because I'm also seeing the Four of Wands out here. It's almost like an energy of celebration, you guys. There's an energy of like, I don't know, there's an energy of like celebration or coming together or something like that. This is almost like an energy of you receiving assistance. This could be like family. This could be like your ancestors or something like that. And we have the Ace of Cups where there's like a cup where like the water is overflowing. It's like loved. Like you are loved. And I'm seeing two doves out here, you guys. Yeah, yeah. It seems like an energy of someone wanting to take control. Okay. There's an energy of like wanting to control or hoarding. Again, there's hoarding energy with this Four of Pentacles out here. All right. I'm seeing with the Ace of Swords. Yeah, that's like hoarding, wanting to hold on, not let go. There's an energy of possessiveness, y'all. Very possessive, possibly again wanting to control you, your energy, your essence, or something like that. All right. And I'm seeing you receiving assistance with the Six of Pentacles. After a period of possibly waiting, I'm seeing an energy of waiting or having to learn some sort of lesson with this devil energy or learn a lesson from some sort of devil energy or possibly see things. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm seeing with this hangman, it's like you gain a different perspective, started seeing things exactly for what it is before letting it go, which is this devil energy. I'm seeing having some sort of addiction, obsession, toxicity. You're all right. And it's coming out as the Queen of Wands, okay? In some sort of connection again, partnership or connection, whether friendship or platonic or romantic. I'm seeing karmic justice is definitely at play, clarifying internet trolls. And I'm sorry, this is talking about things working out in your favor, especially when it comes to some sort of betrayal. Somebody betrayed you, they backstabbed you, they gossip about you. There's an energy of bitchy energy, wanted to treat you like a doormat. And I'm seeing in the end, there's an energy of you guys being happy with this sun card. The sun also illuminates things that have been hidden. That's what I'm showing here. And I see you guys moving forward with this Three of Wands. There's an energy of moving. Mm. This is talking about you guys having like a brighter future, or like at the end of like along some sort of journey. It seems like there's an energy of happiness where I'm seeing someone experiencing a tower moment where there's some sort of breakup, devastation, unexpected breakup ever, because so somebody's not expecting you to move on, or we're not expecting you to leave them alone or something, and I'm seeing unexpectedly there is severance of ties, so maybe you stop talking to these people suddenly, and so I guess they might have felt some type of way about that. That's what I'm showing here. Okay. They felt some type of way. Somebody could have possibly been writing in a journal or something like that. They feel like heartbroken. There's an energy of people feeling devastated because you left. Yeah. You will move to calmer waters. There's an energy of you abandoning or withdrawing your energy from these people and choosing yourself. With this Nine of Pentacles, there's an energy of you choosing peace. There's an energy of luxury. There's an energy of stability here. It's what I'm showing here. And these people thought they would want to get away with something. This is what I'm seeing here. This is an energy of deception. Okay? This is an energy of deception. Self-sabotage energy is what I'm seeing here. And it took patience. Spirit had you be patient with this temperance angel as things balance out, for things to balance out. Anything else? Yep. Because in the end, you have the victory. There's energy of you moving on. This is like nothing can stop the chariot. In the end, you still move forward and nothing can stop you. And I'm seeing you guys mastering something, working on something, possibly perfecting something, building something possibly of your own, okay? Or like there's an energy of you leveling up in life. These it's talking about wishes coming true for you guys. As wishes coming true for you guys, and there's an energy of harmony in your energy. I'm seeing people fighting amongst each other. There's an energy of arguing, fussing, and fighting amongst each other because they are blocked from you. There's an energy of you blocking them. You had set some boundaries, blocked them, severed ties with them, and people still want to continue to hold on. They stuck. This is like an energy of them being stuck. I don't know. I wonder. First thing I thought about is like they stuck. They at your mercy. They have to bow to you or something. Something that they did, y'all. They don't want to let your energy go. And spirit says, "I got something for you." Okay, I got something for you. Don't feed into it now. Stop pushing against what it is, align with it, and move on. That if it's not supposed to be, it's not supposed to be. Ain't no point of arguing and going back and forth about it or justifying why you did what you did. Everything is for a reason. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold